intro.
Hello and welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm very happy because I got a mail from India Post, which is from rapandred.com. As Rapandred has sponsored me Visor Max. And so guys, this is my first sponsorship item, which I got it from rapandred.com. So guys, I'm very happy. I'm speechless. As you all know, I've already installed a Visor Max on my visor, but as I have sold the previous visors, so when I get the new visors, I try to give an order again, but the Rep and Right they have replied me that you need not to give an order or pay for the item. Will be sponsoring you for the Visor Max. So thank you for giving and sponsoring this Visor Max, and especially to Sayan Karmakar, the CEO. And guys, if you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description below. And please, guys, watch this video till the end. I'll be continuing with the unboxing video. So guys, another thing is that help me to reach 1000 subscribers, as YouTube has made a new platform. So guys, if I'm not able to reach 1000 subscribers within this month, something like that, I'll not be able to make a new video. So guys, please help me to reach 1000 subscribers, and please, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, press the like button, and guys, if you have not subscribed me, if you are viewing my video for the first time, please press the subscribe button and the bell button to get notification for my future updates. So guys, thank you for watching.